Hey guys, so it is another vlog. Today is Saturday and we are up early because it is supposed to snow here in Virginia this weekend, and it sucks because I wanted to take Pharaoh to Barnes & Noble for their children and baby story time this morning that starts at 11. So it's currently 9:30, so I don't know if I just want us to get dressed really quick to still make it out there or what, but it's supposed to snow like sometime early this afternoon, so I don't want it to start snowing and we're out there and it's like we're stuck in the snow. So yeah, so I think we might have to probably pass up this weekend because we didn't go last Saturday because it was my birthday last Saturday and we woke up like really late, like after the time it started, so we missed that one last Saturday, and I was hoping that we could have went this weekend, but with the snow and everything, like I just don't want to take that chance. So yeah, so I think we'll probably just chill at home and everything like that, probably do some crafts and everything like that. And I wanted to get Pharaoh some more books today at Barnes & Noble, but yeah, I'm not going to take that risk like out in the snow. So not really too much to do today. Again, it's supposed to snow, so for me personally, probably go ahead and organize my planner. I'll show you guys how I do that and everything like that. And again, just chill and relax at home, probably catch like a few shows on Netflix. I haven't really been like watching Netflix like that. I pay for the subscription every month, but I don't really watch it like that. If it's more so, it's for Pharaoh. So comment down below like what shows you guys have been watching. I know I've seen Bird Box, I watched like Pretty Little Liars and Jane the Virgin, but other shows, like I've heard of the show called You. I heard like from some friends and other people like it was really good, so definitely might check that out, but I don't know. So yeah, so I'm about to go ahead downstairs and go get me, I don't even know why I took a pause, but I'm gonna go ahead pick some matcha tea and go ahead and get ready for our day today. This is the tea that I'm having this morning. This is the Lipton Magnificent Matcha Green Tea with her matcha, or matcha, however you pronounce it. But I was going to just pick up like a packet of like matcha powder, but when I saw this in the store at Target the other day, I was like, let me try this out because I never tried matcha, but I've been hearing like really great reviews about matcha powder. So we'll see how this works out. I've recently had drunk this like 3 times this week, like 3 different mornings. And I have to say like my energy was really well. So yeah, but you definitely need like some tea or some coffee, especially being a stay-at-home mommy. You definitely need something to just rev up your energy. Pharaoh, what are you doing? Come back here. Hey. Look, come here. Can mommy get you? Oh, look, mommy's breakfast is ready. It's all ready. Here, let's go get it. You wanna go get it? He's like, no, I wanna go back and play. Look, let's go get mommy's, look, let's go get mommy's, look, let's go get mommy's breakfast. Hey. just finished fixing some matcha green tea, as you guys saw. So I'm about to go ahead and plan in my planner, like go ahead and get my appointments for like the next month and following dates and everything together, while Pharaoh is currently taking his mid-morning nap. And then yeah, just kind of relax and sip on some tea on this cold wintry Saturday. All right guys, so I just finished my breakfast and I'm still sipping on my matcha tea. So now I'm about to go ahead and work out, and I want to share with you guys a little bit of details like about like my new resolution for 2019 to work out. So yeah, so I'm about to go ahead, prepare myself to work out, and I'll be using like a new app. I believe it's called 8Fit. I will link the name and everything below of the app in the description box for you guys to check out. But it was for free on from the App Store. So yeah, I'm going ahead and try it out. I'm doing like their 14-day trial period and see how it go. But all like during this past week, I've been doing really well with like my meal prepping, using a lot of protein such as boiled egg as a snack, and then also sometimes for breakfast in the morning with like toast, and then also having like a Slim Jim, just like a little small Slim Jim with like the hard boiled egg with veggie straws or chips and everything like that. So I'll let you guys know everything about how I've been doing for this past week, trying to eat a little bit more healthier and better during this past week. But yes, I still have my happy birthday balloons in the back right there. So I'm about to go ahead and check on Pharaoh because I believe he just woke up from his mid-morning nap. Let me see. Yeah, he did. So I'm about to go ahead and check on him and go ahead and start working. I am about to go ahead and work out using this new app that I downloaded this morning called 8Fit. So I will leave a link and also 8Fit's information, all like that, and a description box for you guys if you want to check it out. So I'm excited to go ahead and work out. I told you guys that one of my New Year's resolutions for 2019 was to become much healthier and be more active and exercising a little bit more. So that is one of my goals for 2019. I already have my water and I'm about to head upstairs and go ahead and work out. We're going to see how this app works, and I'm going to definitely let you guys know once the workout is completely done. But I am doing their 14-day trial period to see how it goes and what it consists of. So doing a little bit, digging in the app and kind of previews and stuff like that. Their workouts seem like kind of basic and simple, not too rigorous, not too hardcore, but yeah, so cannot wait to see what this app is all about and can't wait to let you guys know. So again, we're going to go ahead and get ready because 2019 is going to be our year to be fit and to be healthy and happy.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before.
Alright you guys, so I just finished working out. That app, I really do like that app, you guys. Like, I was not expecting those workouts to be like, I don't know what's the word. Like, I just had such a great workout. Like, I can't even think of the word. But you guys, I really do like this app. Like, I gotta catch my breath. Like, the workouts and the exercises were simple in a good way. Especially like if you are starting out new and haven't really been physical or active in a while. So they are simple to kind of get you prepared and started. Like, they're not like just straight having you doing like any rigorous exercises. Okay, Pharaoh just woke up from his nap. Let me go get him. So he just woke up. But like I was saying, like this app, the exercises were great. They weren't so like rigorous or anything like that. And basically they were easy to do. They were simple, easy workouts to kind of help you get prepared. And the one that I did today, it had like a total of maybe 6, I believe. So like different workouts. I did squats, I did knee ups, I did running in place, everything like that. I also did some push-ups, some swimmers, as you guys did see in the video. But yeah, I really do like this app, so I'm gonna try to be consistent. Consistent, you guys, is the key. Consistent, as in trying to stick with to use this 14-day trial period. And honestly, you guys, I think that I'm gonna continue using this app as a monthly subscriber. So you guys, I'm gonna chill now and get some water, take a shower once I stop, well, not stop, but chilling down is the period, because you guys, that was such a great workout. And I feel like I have like so much energy right now, but what is there to do when it's snowing outside? So you guys, I just like this app. I wasn't expecting this app to be like that. I tried other like workout apps before where they were like promising you like these great, simple, easy workouts, but the workouts to me didn't even make sense. They didn't even like, to me they weren't very like physical activities like at all. And my arm is hurting from doing these push-ups while I'm trying to hold my camera to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and cool down some more and probably take a nap. And then I don't know what we might have later on planned for today, you guys. But you guys, oh my gosh, I love this app. I'm gonna definitely recommend this to my friends. And I would like for you guys to try it too. So I cannot get over this app. I cannot believe how great I did in exercising this morning and how much energy I had, you guys. It feels so amazing.
Be fine, baby, you'll be fine.
Okay guys, so I just finished taking a shower from having a really great workout. So now I'm about to go ahead and have some lunch. I'm going to have some veggie straws with a hard-boiled egg. Sorry guys, I had to put the cup in there. So yeah, I'm about to have some lunch with some veggie straws and a hard-boiled egg with some water for lunch today. And then I'm going to show you guys my planner. I have everything mapped out for the month of January. And then also I'm going to show you guys, I've been looking, like researching like a meal prep calendar, so where I can like write down like the meals I want to have, such as for meal prepping for the week and then for the month. So I'm trying to like see if I can find one online. I'll probably be on Pinterest looking for it. So that is about it. Pharaoh, I just finished breastfeeding him and now he is about to go ahead and get ready for his nap for the afternoon. And yeah, so let me show you guys my organization skills with my planner.
Be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs.
Here is my planner planner. Here's everything that'll be happening for the month of February. And as you guys see, I have Sundays that consist of cleaning days for both Sundays and Wednesdays. And then on Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I have where I post on my blog. I leave a link down below of my blog site for you guys to check out. And then on Thursdays, I have where I upload videos here on my YouTube channel. Videos basically that consist of anything like fashion, beauty, or home or cooking or mommy related. And then on Fridays, those are like my off, relaxed days from being blogging and vlogging and posting up videos, editing, and just being a full-time stay-at-home mommy. And then as you guys see, I have like different appointment dates and events going on, like such as different family members' birthdays, especially Pharaoh's, his first birthday on the 25th. And then I have like a grocery and Target run on twice out the month. And yeah, so that's what I have going on. And then on Sundays are my uploads for vlogs on Sundays here on my channel and everything like that. I do have my upload video schedule in the description box for you guys to check out, so you guys can be prepared and check out for those videos on Sundays and on Thursdays. But yeah, here is my planner for the month of February. And this is such a cute planner. I got this from Target and it's so cute. So I just absolutely love this, and I have one of these. I have a much larger one on my desk in my office, and then I have this one is more for my purse, where I can just pull out and, you know, write anything down from appointments to events that's going to be happening throughout the month and everything like that. So yeah, this is such a cute little dandy little organizer, and I'm so happy you guys get to see how I plan and organize my daily life throughout the month.